Hey guys, welcome back. The next method that we are going to look at is the pop method. Now, what pop method does is it is used to remove and return an arbitrary element from a set. Now, if the set is empty, it raises a key error. Yeah. Now, this method can be useful when we need to process or manipulate set elements individually. Now, this method modifies the original set by removing the returned element. So it's efficient for tasks where the specific elements to be removed is not important. Yeah. So it will go step by step through each and every element within the set and it will remove it one by one. We'll see how it works. But before that, we'll just go through the syntax. So the syntax is the set name dot pop, yeah, and the parenthesis. But the parenthesis will not have any kind of parameters, yeah. So it does not have any parameter. It will just pop up the value that is being removed, yeah. So let's see a basic usage of pop. Yeah. So suppose I have this set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I say remove this item, my set dot pop. Yeah, so it is removing one item from the list, which would be always the first item within the set. That's the zeroth element. Yeah, so it gets it removed, and the original set has been modified after removing the item. Yeah, so let's see what is the output here. So you can see the popped element is 1, which was the first element within this set, and the remaining set is being modified to keep the remaining contents of the set or the remaining elements within the set. We can always use pop in a loop. Yeah, we can use using a loop to pop elements within set. Yeah. So I have this set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So in my set, so this is my set. It will go through each and every item within the set. Since we are using the while loop, it will remove the item and it will always also show you the set. Yes. Yeah. So every time it loops, it will remove one item. It will show you the removed item and the remaining set. So in the first, it will remove one. It will show you the removed element one, and the in my set it will show you 2, 3, 4, 4, 5. Again, it will loop. It will remove this second item from the set, and it will show you the remaining item. So let's run this quickly. So you can find this. So during the first loop, it removed the first item, which was the one integer, and it shows the set the remaining elements in the set at 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, since the set has this remaining numbers, it goes to the next loop and checks for the first element. Now, the first element within the modified set is 2. So it pops out the first element within this modified set and shows the remaining set. Same way, it goes till the end, till the entire set is empty. So this is how you can loop through items and remove individual item, and you can run conditions on them as well. Yeah. And also, as I said, this particular pop statement it comes up with an error. So it comes up with an key error if the set is empty. Yeah. So if I try to run a pop, it will come up with an error. Yeah, we can see this. Yeah, it comes up with an key error. But I can handle this. I have shown you earlier how we can handle this using try. Yes. So this is an error handling method, try except. So if I run this particular method and if I get an error, key error, yeah, yeah, set is empty, pop empty set. Yeah. So I have handled this error. Yeah. That's a very ugly way to show the error, which people will not understand. A novice will not understand. This is okay for the programmers who can understand this error. Since we come across this at various point of our time. But for a layman, you'll not be able to understand it. That's why we have a key or an error handler. Yeah, the output is the same, only the error is replaced by a statement that we specify or any kind of other commands that we want to run. Yeah, we can also use pop method on mixed data set. So if there are mixed data types, so suppose I use this loop using loop. Okay. To pop mix data types in set. Yeah. So suppose I have this elements 1, hello, 3.14. I have a tuple. I have an integer as well. Yeah. Or you already have an integer. Why do you need one more? Yeah. So I have these mixed elements. Yeah. So it can run on mixed elements as well. So if I try to remove each and individual item, it will go through the same way as we had for the numbers earlier. Yeah, till the entire set is empty. You can see the set is empty here. So this is how you can use pop method to remove individual items within an element. As you can see, this in this method, you do not need to specify any kind of element. It will directly remove the first item within the set or the zeroth index item within the set. Yeah. Hope you understood this method and hope you like this video. Do like, share this video with the people or your colleagues who want to learn Python. Do comment if you have any views or if you want to add anything which will help my viewers to learn something more, as this is free of cost and I would like people to love to learn. I like people to learn and uh, contribute collectively towards individual learning. Yeah. So do subscribe to my channel if you'd like to get such informative video directly to your inbox. Thank you so much.